let's solve lead code number 56. So this question is asking us that we have given an array of intervals. We need to merge, rewrite the intervals, right, with all overlapping intervals merged. So in this case, they've given us an example that looks like 1 to 3, 2 to 6, 8 to 10, and then 15 to 18, right? Well, the question does not say anything about sorting, so it means this array is not already sorted. So we might have to sort it. So one of the things we have to do. But let's also represent this on a number line. Let's look at how it looks like. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And we are given intervals 1 to 3, and then 2 to 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, something from here to here. Then we have 7, 8, 9, 10 to 8 to 10. And then we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 to 18. And that's here. Clearly, we can see that these are the overlapping ones. And we can see that because the end of the first one is more than the beginning of the second one, right? So end of the first one greater than beginning of this one, right? So in that case, we need to overlap, we need to merge. And if we need to merge, because this, it starts from here and ends here, so we don't really care about the beginning. The beginning is this one, or the beginning is the smallest of these two beginnings, and the maximum, the end is the maximum of the two. So the end is the maximum of the two, which in this case will be the maximum of the ends of the two, right? The maximum of the end of the two. So what we need to do is get it sorted, and then the second thing is rearrange them by finding which one is the biggest of the ends if there is an overlap, right? So let's go and look at how we are going to solve that. So first, let's sort the intervals. So intervals dot sort, and then for interval in intervals, let's get our results. Variable is empty. If the results is empty, we append, right? We append. So we append the interval we are looking at, because that'll be the first one. Also, if the last element that we just put in the results, the end of that last element is less than the beginning of the current interval we are looking at, we also append. That's also an append. So that's what we see here. If 6 is less than 8, we just add it. If 10 is less than 15, we just add it, right? The other case is when this one is bigger than the beginning. Then we have to pick the maximum of these two. So how do we do that? So that will be else the last element of what we just added, the end of what we just added, will be equal to the max of what we just added the end of what we just added, and the end of the current interval that we are at, right? And then we return results. So this is how you solve lead code 56. Because we are sorting this is going to be a n log n solution, right? So let's see how if this works. Yep. So this is how you solve this merge intervals. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.